In the heart of our bustling city, amidst towering skyscrapers and endless streams of data, a revolution is brewing. It's a quiet revolution that whispers in the corners of our minds, echoing through every device we hold: artificial intelligence. Imagine this: every time you swipe your phone or chat with Siri, you're already engaging with AI. But what if I told you that these digital assistants are just the tip of an iceberg? What lies beneath could change everything. Imagine a world where machines not only understand human emotions but also feel them. Where they can create art as masterfully as any artist and solve complex problems faster than our most brilliant minds. This is no longer science fiction, it's the future, looming on the horizon like a new dawn. But with this dawning comes an age-old question: will artificial intelligence ever replace us? To grasp the magnitude of what's at stake here, we must first journey back to the origins of AI itself. In 1956, at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire, four brilliant minds, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, gathered for a summer workshop. They coined the term artificial intelligence, setting in motion a chain of events that would transform human history forever. These pioneers envisioned machines capable of mimicking intelligent behavior, solving complex problems by logical reasoning, and even learning from experience. Fast forward to today, and AI has evolved beyond their wildest dreams. From self-driving cars navigating our roads with precision to chatbots like me helping you right now, we are surrounded by technology that learns, adapts, and responds in ways once thought impossible. But the question remains: can machines truly become as sophisticated, versatile, and creative as humans? To answer this, let's explore the different facets of AI. At its core, artificial intelligence is about making computers smarter, teaching them to perceive their environment, reason logically, solve problems, learn from experience, and communicate effectively. In the heart of Silicon Valley, where towering glass skyscrapers stretch towards a bright blue sky, there's an undercurrent of excitement that pulses through every fiber of this technological hub. The air is thick with anticipation as researchers and engineers whisper about something extraordinary on the horizon: artificial intelligence, AI. This isn't just another tool or gadget, it's a force that promises to redefine our existence. As we stand at the precipice of what could be a new chapter in human evolution, the question looms large: will AI ever replace us? The answer is complex and multifaceted. Let's dive into this fascinating journey together, exploring how artificial intelligence has already begun to reshape our world and pondering its potential impact on humanity. The roots of modern AI can be traced back several decades, but it was the 1950s that saw a significant breakthrough with Alan Turing's groundbreaking paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In this work, he introduced what is now known as the Turing test, a method to determine if a machine exhibits human-like intelligence. This idea sparked curiosity and debate, laying the foundation for AI's evolution. Over time, advancements in computing power and data processing capabilities have enabled researchers to develop increasingly sophisticated algorithms. Today's AI isn't just about solving simple problems; it can analyze vast datasets, recognize complex patterns, learn from experience, and even generate creative outputs, such as art or music. These capabilities are not only impressive but also raise profound questions about the future of work, society, and our very identity. In recent years, we've seen AI integrated into every aspect of daily life. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on streaming platforms, from self-driving cars navigating bustling city streets to predictive analytics in healthcare, AI is everywhere, quietly yet powerfully shaping the world around us. But as its influence grows, so does concern about whether these intelligent machines might someday surpass human capabilities. The concept of AI replacing humans isn't just confined to science in the not-so-distant future. A new player emerges on our planet's stage, a being born of circuits and code. Artificial intelligence, AI, has already begun to weave its way into every corner of our lives, quietly transforming how we live and work. Yet, as it advances at an unprecedented pace, a question looms large: will AI ever replace us? The very idea seems both thrilling and terrifying. Thrilling because the potential for what AI can achieve is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Imagine machines that can learn, adapt, and evolve far beyond our current capabilities. Terrifying, however, as the thought of being supplanted by something we've created feels like stepping into an unknown future. But let's take a step back to understand this phenomenon. AI today isn't just about computers doing math faster than humans, it's about machines that can think and learn in ways previously reserved for us alone. From self-driving cars navigating complex cityscapes, to virtual assistants managing our daily tasks with ease, the scope of what these intelligent systems can do is expanding rapidly. Imagine a future where AI isn't just an assistant but an equal partner. Where it works alongside humans, enhancing productivity and creativity in ways we've only begun to imagine. As scientists and engineers push the boundaries of machine learning algorithms, neural networks are becoming more sophisticated, mimicking human thought processes with increasing accuracy. This isn't some far-off dream, this is happening now. Take for instance the case of AlphaGo, a program developed by Google's DeepMind team that taught itself to play Go, a game so complex it has baffled humans and machines alike. In 2016, AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, one of the world's top players in the ancient Chinese board game. This victory was not just a technical triumph but also an early glimpse into what lies ahead. AI is no longer confined to narrow tasks, it's becoming versatile enough to tackle complex problems across various domains. Medicine, deep within the heart of Silicon Valley, among towering server farms and sleek glass buildings, lies a world where artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a tool but an integral part of daily life. The hum of servers, the glow from countless screens, these are the beating hearts of modern technology, pulsing with data that fuels our future. In the quest to understand whether AI will ever replace us, we must first grasp its incredible journey so far. From the humble beginnings in 1956 when John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at Dartmouth College to today's sophisticated neural networks, each step has brought us closer to a world where machines can think and learn like humans. Consider AlphaGo Zero. In just 3 days of self-play training without any human data or knowledge transfer, it defeated the previous champion Go player. DeepMind's AlphaGo Lee, who had already triumphed over a world champion. The sheer speed at which AI has advanced is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's as if we've witnessed an infant learning to walk and run in mere moments. But what does this rapid evolution mean for us? As AI capabilities continue to expand, so too do the questions surrounding its potential impact on human existence. Some fear that as machines become more intelligent, they will eventually surpass our own abilities and perhaps even replace us entirely. Others see a more optimistic future where humans coexist harmoniously with advanced technology. To explore this complex issue further, we must delve into various fields of AI research. Machine learning, for instance, is at the heart of many current applications. It allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Imagine an autonomous vehicle that can navigate through traffic by analyzing real-time sensor inputs and past experiences. Then there's natural language processing, NLP, which powers chatbots like Siri or Alexa. These systems understand human speech, interpret it accurately, and respond in a way that feels almost organic. The ability to converse naturally in the heart of our bustling cities, where towering skyscrapers seem to pierce through the clouds, a silent revolution is unfolding. The digital pulse that runs through these steel behemoths is about to change everything we know. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, AI, isn't just assisting us but leading the charge forward, where machines aren't merely tools but partners in our quest for progress. Consider this: today, AI powers much of what we take for granted. From smartphones that predict your next move with uncanny accuracy to self-driving cars that navigate complex traffic patterns without a hitch. Yet, as impressive as these technologies are, they barely scratch the surface of what's possible. The real question is whether or not machines will one day surpass us entirely. The implications of this scenario stretch far beyond our daily conveniences. They ripple through every facet of human society, from employment to ethics and even existential questions about the very nature of intelligence itself. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it begins to mimic human thought processes in ways that once seemed impossible. But what happens when these machines can not only learn but also adapt at a rate far surpassing our own? In workplaces around the globe, industries are already being transformed by automation and intelligent systems. Manual labor jobs have given way to software-driven efficiency, administrative tasks now fall under the purview of smart bots that can handle complex data analysis with ease. Even creative fields aren't immune. Artificial intelligence is increasingly capable of generating art, music, and literature, blurring the line between human creation and machine output. But as AI's capabilities expand, so too does its potential impact on our economy. The traditional jobs market may undergo a seismic shift. Millions of workers could find themselves outpaced by machines that operate faster, more accurately, and without rest. This doesn't just mean unemployment, it means entire industries may cease to exist in their current form. Meanwhile, the ethical landscape is shifting. Privacy concerns loom large as AI systems gather vast amounts. As we gaze into the future, one question looms large: will artificial intelligence ever replace us? The journey to this answer is far from straightforward. Instead of a simple yes or no, what emerges is a complex tapestry woven with threads of human ingenuity and technological awe. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast digital landscape, where every step you take reveals new wonders and challenges. This future isn't just about machines, it's about us, our evolution, our adaptability, and how we choose to navigate this changing world together. The line between human and machine is blurring, creating not only opportunities but also profound ethical questions. In the heart of this digital revolution lies a narrative of continuous transformation. Just as the wheel changed civilization millennia ago, AI holds the potential to reshape society in ways that are both exhilarating and daunting. Yet, amidst all these advancements, what remains unchanged is our humanity, the essence of creativity, empathy, and resilience that defines us. Artificial intelligence isn't just about machines performing tasks, it's about a symbiotic relationship where humans and machines work side by side to achieve goals beyond individual capabilities. This partnership promises not only efficiency but also the ability to tackle complex problems with unprecedented precision and speed. From medicine to environmental conservation, AI can be our ally in solving some of humanity's most pressing issues. But what does this mean for us as individuals? Will we lose our sense of self amidst the technological marvels that surround us? The answer lies not just in what technology can do but how it's used and integrated into our lives. As we embrace these tools, we must also consider their impact on privacy, autonomy, and even identity. The future is not predetermined, it is a canvas waiting to be painted with the choices we make today. Will AI replace us? The answer isn't about machines taking over but rather about how humans choose to evolve alongside them. In this process, there will always be room for human judgment, creativity, and compassion. The future isn't coming, it's being built. Subscribe to stay ahead.